All right, let's talk about one of the most confusing but weirdly satisfying numbers for YouTube creators. RPM. You know, the number that tells you how much money you're actually making after YouTube takes its chunk, pays the bills, and probably buys itself a fancy coffee. RPM. If CPM tells you how much advertisers are paying to run ads on your videos, RPM tells you how much you're actually earning from every 1,000 views. RPM stands for revenue per mille. Again, mille means 1,000. It's the real deal. The money that ends up in your pocket after YouTube takes its cut and accounts for any other deductions like ad blockers or ineligible views. Now, here's how it works. Let's say your CPM is $10. Sounds good, right? But YouTube takes a 45% cut of that, leaving you with $5.50. That $5.50 is reflected in your RPM. Why does YouTube take such a big slice? Great question. And before you start feeling upset about it, let's talk about why it's actually a good thing and why YouTube is worth every penny of that cut. First, YouTube is more than just a video platform, it's an ecosystem. Think about the infrastructure behind every single video you upload. YouTube handles the hosting of your videos no matter how many gigabytes they are or how many people watch them. It ensures your content is accessible worldwide 24/7 with lightning fast load times. You're not paying for servers, bandwidth, or maintenance. YouTube does all that for you. Second, YouTube connects you with advertisers. As a creator, you don't have to go knocking on doors, pitching your channel to companies, or negotiating ad deals. YouTube's ad system does all the heavy lifting. It matches your content with the right advertisers, runs the campaigns, and handles the payments. That's a huge relief for creators who just want to focus on making content. Without YouTube's ad system, most creators wouldn't have access to such a large pool of advertisers or earn nearly as much. And let's not forget discovery. YouTube's algorithm is designed to push your videos to the right audience. Every time your content shows up in someone's recommendations or search results, that's YouTube's system working for you. The exposure alone is worth it because more visibility means more views, more ad revenue, and more opportunities for your channel to grow. But YouTube doesn't stop at ads. Part of your RPM might come from other revenue streams like YouTube Premium. This is where YouTube users pay a monthly subscription fee to watch ad-free content. You get a share of that revenue based on how much premium users watch your videos. So even if some viewers don't see ads, you're still getting paid. And guess what? You didn't have to do anything extra to make that happen. YouTube takes care of it. Now, here's another thing to consider. YouTube provides creators with tools and resources that are essential for success. The platform gives you detailed analytics so you can understand your audience, tweak your strategy, and grow. You've also got features like memberships, super chats, and the community tab to engage with your fans and diversify your income. And let's not overlook YouTube's creator support team and workshops. They're there to help you navigate the platform and reach your goals. So when YouTube takes its 45% cut, it's not just taking money, it's funding the entire machine that allows creators to earn in the first place. Think about it. You don't have to pay upfront fees for hosting, advertising, or global reach. Instead, YouTube aligns its success with yours. If you're earning more, YouTube is earning more. It's a partnership. Here's the bottom line. RPM is the most honest reflection of your channel's earning potential. It shows you what you're taking home after all deductions, and it reminds you of the value YouTube provides in exchange for its share. Sure, 45% might sound like a lot, but when you consider everything YouTube brings to the table, the infrastructure, the exposure, the advertisers, it's a fair trade. So the next time you look at your RPM, remember that it's more than just a number. It's your share of a massive, well-oiled system that's working hard to help you succeed. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing. And as your RPM goes up, so does your impact as a creator. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and let me know in the comments. What's your take on RPM? Let's talk about it.